We get it. You'd rather be carving up the road behind the wheel of your Mercedes-Benz than dealing with the hassle of lease-end. So we've designed a lease-end experience that's hassle-free. That said, and in the spirit of efficiency, let's take a moment to quickly review what you can expect from your lease-end experience. As your lease approaches maturity, you have 3 options to consider. Number 1, return your vehicle and perhaps replace it with a new Mercedes-Benz, usually with the added benefit of loyalty incentives. Number 2, you may be eligible to extend your lease until you find which new Mercedes-Benz is right for you. And number 3, you're welcome to purchase your current vehicle. If you're unsure of which option you'd like to choose, or you're planning on returning your vehicle, we have made the remaining steps as convenient for you as possible. In the months prior to your scheduled lease end, you will receive several email communications regarding our simple lease end process, timing, and loyalty offers. One of those communications will be an email with a link to the First Class Finish webpage with detailed information regarding the lease end process and how to schedule your lease end pre-inspection. Before your pre-inspection, we suggest you use our credit card test and vehicle conditions guidelines outlined on the First Class Finish webpage. This will help you figure out what is considered excess wear and use. We recommend scheduling your pre-inspection 45 to 60 days prior to your lease end maturity date. The inspection will be performed by an independent third-party vehicle inspection company that will pre-inspect your vehicle at a location of your choice, home, work, or dealership, on a day and time that is convenient for you. On that day, please ensure the vehicle interior and exterior is clean and both sets of keys are present. If your vehicle is an EQ and it came with a charging cable, please have that available as well. The inspection itself will take approximately 45 minutes, and you can be present or not. It's up to you. The inspector is merely recording the condition of the vehicle, a completely transparent process. Shortly thereafter, the third-party inspection company will post the report online for you to review. The report includes indications of wear and use and current mileage, organized by chargeable and non-chargeable items. We know normal wear and use is a natural part of a vehicle's journey, and small concerns may not be chargeable. For a detailed summary of what is considered excess wear and use, please refer to the First Class Finish page online. You'll have the opportunity to explore the option of repairing any excess wear and use items with your Mercedes-Benz dealer in advance of your expected vehicle return date. The next step is to schedule a day and time to return your vehicle to the dealership. A third-party vehicle inspection will be scheduled by the dealer once your vehicle has been returned to the dealership. If a pre-inspection was completed on your lease, and the vehicle's condition did not change when it was turned in, then the final inspection may not be needed. Either way, we will then send you your lease end statement detailing any charges incurred for mileage overages, missed maintenance, and/or excess wear and use. It's that simple. We hope your Mercedes-Benz lease experience was everything you'd hoped it would be, and we look forward to continuing this journey with you in any way that serves you best. And to make sure that returning your vehicle is hassle-free, we're always here to help.